Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel where we help make your business social media just a little bit easier. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code right in Canva for free, super easy, and I don't even want to waste time talking about an introduction. Let's just go to the desktop. Okay, here we are at the desktop. Now, I'm showing you just really quickly, I'm going to put a QR code on a Facebook post. So we've created this really nice picture of ice glaciers in the background, and you can see this really cool QR code here. Unfortunately, this is not the video to show you how to do that. I have a link to the description that's going to pop up here right about now, or in the description below. That'll show you how to create and customize a really cool QR code like this. But for this purposes, we're going to delete that, and I'm going to show you how to do a free one, static QR code, just to point to any type of link that you may have. So this is a Facebook post template. We're going to come over here to the left side menu and scroll all the way down to these three buttons where it says more. Select that, and you should see a QR code application here. Now, if you don't see it here, simply scroll and look around. And by the way, did you see all the things that you can connect, the apps that you can connect into your Canva account? Yep, you're going to go down a rabbit hole on that. But you want to look for the one that says QR code. When you find that, select it, and you're going to see this really simple little box pop up. So what you're going to want to do then is, in this box that says URL, you want to place a website link. It could be a website link, it could be a link to one of your social media accounts, it could be a link to a Google form. Anything that has a full website link you can place in here. Now you can see here it has a little preview, and as it stands right now, this will work perfectly. But let's say I just want to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, or I want to add my branding colors to it. I can do this by simply changing the background and foreground colors. So let's say I want to have more blue, pretty ugly, but let's change this to white and see how that looks. There you go. Colored, looks a little different, not your average QR code. And we can also change the margins, which means we can make that black, we can make that blue bigger, we can make whatever size we want. I kind of like it at 3. And then once we have that all set up, super easy, we're going to click this link that says generate a QR code, puts it right into that post for us. Now, once we come over here, we can make it larger, we can make it fill the whole post, wouldn't suggest that, or we can make it really, really small, and of course we can move it around anywhere we want. So that is how you generate a static QR code. Now, you can get a little fancier with QR Tiger. Feel free to go ahead and look at that description or that video that we already did on that. I think you're really gonna like it. But that's it. That's how you make a quick, easy, free QR code in Canva. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, I appreciate a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber, which I love and thank you very much, I will see you again in the next video.